Targets, enemy technical vehicles and packs. All friendlies are located on OP-11 and Fort McCoy. It's going to be a Type 1 bomb on target. Requesting Mark 82s per target. America 1, flight in. America 1, flight clear hot. Can we get immediate reattacks to Winchester, both jets? A firm, you are approved immediate reattacks, same restrictions. Thanks. Bang 1, in heading 170. Bang 1, cleared out. Hustler is currently troops in contact. ROP is being overrun. Requesting immediate show force over OP-11. Hey, sir, that's approved. Looking for a south and north. Yeah, maintain 10,000 and depart to the east. Mission, ground commanders and 10 met, mission successful. Thanks for the work, guys.
I appreciate the patience very much. Have a nice weekend. Say hello to everybody for us, and we'll see you next time.